Hello, today I will be sharing about this online tool called Wakelet. Wakelet is a content curation platform that allows you to save and organize multiple types of media such as videos, images, websites, PDF files, and so much more. It is a very user-friendly tool that can be used in instructional settings by many different age groups. If you do not have an account, you can create a free account using Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Clever, or even email. I've already gone ahead and created an account by signing in through my Gmail account, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna continue with Google. Okay, so when you first log in, you are offered a tour and you can start creating or exploring collections right away. If you click on Explore, you will see different collections that are being shared. For example, if you're looking for multiplication songs, you can click on this one. And it's a collection of multiplication songs. So if you want to share that, you can get the link or a QR code or share it through Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. But let's go back to collections. Okay, in order to make a collection, you click on Create a Collection. Then you are prompted to give your collection a title and a description. After that, you can start adding your media to the collection by typing in a website, adding picture, adding a PDF, or any of these other options. What I did was that I started a collection about Texas because in my job I support the pre-K team and they will be starting a unit about Texas soon. I will copy in here a link to a video I created about Texas. So I have my video here. I will copy it, paste it, and that did not work because I did not copy the right link. So let me try that again. Copy, paste. And there's my video. Now, if you make an error, you can select these three dots and simply delete. Okay. So, I uploaded my video and it's in here. We also have some books that I was able to add from uniteforliteracy.com. Now I want to add a song from YouTube. So I'm going to copy the link, go back to Wakelet, paste it, and it will appear right there. Okay. So this is what my collection is looking like right now. You can also change the layout, like if you want it to look like a grid or columns and label the columns, but for now I'm just gonna keep it as media. Okay, so I think Wakelet is a great tool to brainstorm all the materials you will need to plan an upcoming unit. After you have collected all your possible resources, it is easier to pull from there what you need during planning. Also, you can share your collection with other teachers so that they can upload other media and ideas as well. Students can also use this tool to brainstorm or to create their own digital portfolios. The teacher can start a portfolio for each student, share it with them, and students can upload pictures of their projects, assessments, and creations. Parents can also have access to the finished product. Another way Wakelet can be used is to assign students to groups and each group create a collection for a project. They could collect different resources to create a video later or to co-write a research paper. Everything you add to your collection is automatically saved. When you are ready to share, you simply click Share. So let's say that I uploaded all my resources that I will be using for the unit or that I think I will need for my unit. So then I can click on Share. If I want other teachers to collaborate with me, I can share using a code, a QR code, a Google Classroom, or Microsoft Teams. Or if I just want them to be able to see it, I can choose the same methods, but just selecting the ones up here. What I really like about the sharing factor is that when you share it with others, and like if they scan the QR code, they do not need a login to be able to add media to it or to be able to see it, depending on which link you sent them, the one to see it or the one to collaborate on it. So students can easily access it. I really enjoyed exploring this online tool, and I think there are so many different ways that it can be used in the classroom. Wakelet allows students to be creators, collaborators, creative, and critical thinkers. Thank you.